Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to install it on front windshield. So firstly, to install it on front windshield, let's prepare this holder that is attached to front windshield and to the device. You can find this holder in the original box. As you can see, this holder has a suction mechanism, and also we can adjust its angle, distance, and also the angle of the device attached to holder. So basically, to install it to front windshield, firstly let's open it, screw this so it has a tight connection, open this lever, stick it to front windshield and close it. That's how the suction mechanism works. To install it to your device, let's change the angle of this to horizontal. Let's tighten it. And now take a look at the back of the device. Right here we've got this holes we have to put the holder into. Now push and use a bit of force to this position. Now we are sure that the holder is stable. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.